Man, fuck that shit, man. I'm losing it. Man, this bitch. Man, what the fuck? Bro, you good?
Bro, why you keep on losing this? We don't know how to play, bro. But I'ma play with you later. But shit, man, I ain't crazy dreams though.
What happened, eh?
Man, you know what I mean, bro? Hell, I know about here, man.
You good?
Bro, what time is it, man? Oh, fuck. Hey, bro.
It's about like midnight, man. You gotta go home, man.
Yeah, I gotta go. You can charge her, bro. I gotta call my mama.
Yeah,
Maybe she can pick me up.
Yeah, I got a charger, man. Let me see. Yeah, I got iPhone charger here, bro.
Oh, you got iPhone charger?
Yes, sir. Alright.
Which type of phone I got, man?
Yeah, charger is here, bro. I'm gonna continue my... What the?
That she ate that baby.
Nigga, what the fuck is this?
What the fuck, huh?
Nigga, you're pulling us some flip.
Why is it a crime to me, bro? Why you always dissing me, bro? Like, bro, what's the matter, bro? It's a phone, bro.
That shit can flip.
Yeah, bro, like every time you be say like, yo, can I borrow some money? I transfer money using this shit.
Flip that shit.
I transfer money using this shit. Now you say, bro, what you saying, bro?
Flip it.
Flip what, bro?
Flip.
You get a charger, bro?
Flip that bitch.
I need the Android charger, my guy.
I ain't got no Android, nigga.
Yeah.
Flip that bitch one more time. Flip it.